Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we're going to make this magnificent curved spline box. Just out of pine with a wenge handle and wenge splines, oversized splines. It's just a box. I didn't put an interior in this one because I think that the pine and the wenge go so well together that it doesn't need one. So let's get going. I planed the pine down to about 36mm and I've put the groove in for the bottom and I've cut the miters. You see I cut the miters on the miter saw this time. Okay guys, I end up putting the tape on the joins as normal. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying this short version of how to make this box. Check out YouTube for the full version of how to make this box step by step. It's easy. Have a go. Just have a go. Go, 1, 2, oops, forgot one, damn. Cool baby cool. What was the word I was going to say today? Adequate, I think. Damn, I forget. I forget a lot nowadays. 69 next week, damn. Damn. I think I was bloody 29. Anyway, here's what it is. Can't go back in time unless you're Marty McFly. Okay, put one down below. I've cut all the splines, glued in. I've glued up the handle, the two bits of the handle, with the two wing bits on the other side, and I used a bit of maple for the interior. I just said I had it, it was the right size, so it's like one. And I've glued up the top. The splines are dry. We'll cut them now and sand them, and then we'll mark out for the curve. Okay, that works as a stopper, so everything's going to go up against there but be guided by the sliding fence, and that's how much I've cut off. Okay, you can see the marks there, and then I'm going to sand the rest. And again, it's come up quite adequately, and especially with the wenge splines, it really gives it a kick. The black splines, and with a black handle. I might just have one of these. I'm not sure yet. Guys, all but done. Made a great looking handle with a curved top, and it's angled edge. Good, that's going to look when it's all polished up. Put your handle on. Press it down a bit. And leave it. That's it, finished. The splines really set it off, and with the handle it makes just a great looking box. Look at that, it's just a bit of pine. It's one bit of pine and a little bit of wenge. And you saw how I make it, it's not that hard. Have a go. Please subscribe, ring the bell. As I said, I'm on a new channel.